here is the package. You can see a nice packed package, and I'm going to open it. And you can see it's big package. Okay, here you go. All right. Nice. So inside the big package there is the real one. So it is called Krypton digital infrared cooker. Okay. So I always feel happy whenever I open a new box. Box is well wrapped. I can assure you that. Very nice packaging with a little wrap. And here is the package itself, so you can read it probably. Okay, so here I will first go by what it is written. It has 2 years warranty. That is a very good thing to have on this device. If it's burn out, some electrical issue or whatever, you will get a new one for sure. And then as I said, it is 2000 watts. It has a button control. You can see it has a button, it's not touch, adjustment dial, and there is a ABC digital display. So there is a digital display which has ABC. Okay, we'll see. Probably it has some alphabet and alphanumeric, everything. So serve a plate of heavy numbers, digital infrared with 2 years warranty, Krypton, and its model number is, you can see, KNIC 6058N. Pretty big model number anyway, but what it is, we don't care. So let me open it for you guys. Alright. Whoa, packaging is nice. Well, we'll see. Is it used by some? Usually what happens, I don't know really. Also, very. There you go. So it's not that heavy. It's very lightweight. Nowhere written how much kilogram is it, but I can see it has a features listed as I go feature by feature. So plug in, heat up, cook out. It has button control. It has high quality crystal glass, okay, which is your pan where you put the everything for cook. And then there is a 3 hours timer settings, and then it's mentioned what it supports. Let's give some little bit of description in here. So it says suitable for any type of pot: glass pan, ceramic pan, iron pan, tin paper. Okay, it works for tin paper also, stainless steel pan, tea pan, aluminum pan. So it is basically suitable for every pot. That is the best thing about infrared cooker. You can use any kind of pan in here. So on the button control, you can see it has 200 watt strong firepower, high quality crystal glass, 10 power level for adjustment, 3 hours mercury, overheat protection, suitable any type pot. Rating 220 volt to 240. It is 2000 watts. So this is for like European region. It is not for American region, but certainly you can get something else on the European region with this same brand if it is available in there. All right, so that's it. But I will give you an inside thing is that I heard, like, it has the features like it will cool down, it will stop the thing whenever a certain temperature is reached, and then it will start it again. That's what I heard. So it has a feature like that, so the overheating does not happen. Okay, so let's open it. It feels like somebody opened it anyway. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. But whatever it is, I have an identity card. So this is just a manual, English, Arabic. Another word. There is nothing much in there, and this device is not that heavy. I will tell you. You can see there is a fan, and there is a rating in there. I guess that's it. And looks like this pen you can probably open it up if you want, but I will never do this for now. And there's a lock button, you can see. Then there is this timer, down, up, functions on and off, stir fry, hot pot, boiling, steam. So I think you can probably touch screen them. I'll see it later on. Okay, all right. So that's it, I guess. Stir fry, hot pot, boiling, steam. There you can do many. There are like 4 functions written in here. There is a plus button, there is minus, there is a timer. You can select the functions, and there is an on-off button. There's a lock button. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's all we have. I will measure the height for you guys so that you can see like fitting. Holes or not. So this is my scale. I'll first go by inch. So in inch, you can probably see it. It is basically 14 inch. So it is 14 inch again. You can see it is 14 inch. Okay. Okay, it is. No, it's a little bit. Okay. No, yes, it is 14 inch, 14.25 probably. And then in inch, in centimeter you can convert it, but okay, let's see. In centimeter it is 36. Okay. And this way in centimeter it is 28 centimeter in width. Okay, this okay, and in inch it is 11 inch in width. Now I'll check the height. From the base it is 2 inch. It is 2 inch, and cm it is 5 centimeter. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful anyway, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye bro, take care.